Which brothers are credited with inventing and building the first successful airplane? Before venturing into aviation, the brothers operated a successful bicycle sales and repair shop. Their experience with bicycles helped them understand balance and control, which would be crucial in their aviation experiments. On December 17, 1903, the brothers achieved the first successful powered, controlled, and sustained flight at Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. These brothers are widely recognized as the pioneers of modern aviation. Yes, they are the Wright brothers.